Have you ever dreamed of visiting a tropical paradise, untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern life? Picture pristine beaches, kissed by the sun, where the sand is as white as sugar. Imagine clear blue waters teeming with vibrant marine life and lush greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see. Envision a place far removed from the mainland, a unique geographical location that adds to its charm and allure. Welcome to Lakshadweep, a tropical paradise that promises an experience unlike any other. Lakshadweep isn't just about beautiful beaches and azure waters, it has much more to offer. Indeed, the islands are home to a treasure trove of natural wonders. The rich coral reefs, teeming with a rainbow of marine life, are a sight to behold. Picture yourself snorkeling in these crystal clear waters, marveling at the vibrant underwater world. But the adventure doesn't stop there. You can also engage in a variety of water sports, from kayaking to windsurfing, adding a dash of thrill to your serene beach holiday. And if you're a diving enthusiast, exploring the depths of the sea here will leave you awestruck. Immerse yourself in the local culture and cuisine. The islanders' unique way of life and their mouth-watering seafood dishes add a distinctive flavor to your journey. Don't forget to keep an eye out for the unique flora and fauna found only in Lakshadweep. In Lakshadweep, every moment is an adventure, every sight a masterpiece of nature. To make the most of your Lakshadweep visit, you need to know the must-visit spots. Let's start with Agatti Island, a paradise for beach lovers. It's a place where you can lounge on pristine white sands while turquoise waves gently lap at your feet. Next, we move to Bangaram Island, famous for its rich marine life. If you're a diving enthusiast or just love to snorkel, you'll be captivated by the vibrant coral reefs teeming with diverse aquatic species. Then there's Minicoy Island, a cultural gem of Lakshadweep. Its unique traditions, dances, and cuisine offer a fascinating insight into the region's heritage. Don't miss the Marine Museum, a showcase of the island's marine biodiversity, and the Lighthouse of Minicoy, a beacon standing tall since the late 19th century, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the ocean. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on a journey of discovery. Lakshadweep, a treasure trove of nature's best, awaits your discovery. You might ask, why should I visit Lakshadweep? Well, it isn't just an island. It's a dreamy tropical haven, abundant with a rich culture and breathtaking beauty. Here, you can explore the unspoiled coral reefs, relish in the tranquility of the pristine beaches, and immerse yourself in the unique local traditions. Unlike crowded tourist hotspots, Lakshadweep offers a truly unique experience. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to Lakshadweep. Experience the unspoiled, experience the unforgettable.